with your travel business, like you can definitely build and grow a travel business, booking one person, two people, a small family at a time. You can definitely do it. People do it every day. People do it every single day and build successful businesses that way, successful travel businesses. But my question for you is, what if you could implement your goals, turn them into a plan, and build a machine around your travel business, right? A well-oiled machine around your travel business. So think about it this way. What if you could have like a rinse and repeat model? What if that was the system or the process that you put in place for your travel business to build it and to grow it, to help you multiply your income so that you could stop competing with the internet? We talked about this earlier. Stop dealing with those travel lookers and start really dealing with travel bookers. Okay. People who are really booking travel and not wasting your time, right? People who are not shopping around on the internet around. They want you. They want what you have to offer. They're ready to go and they're ready to travel. And so think about that. Like, what if you could have this well-oiled machine doing that and doing it without all of the complicated GDS booking systems that we have to deal with in this industry? Like, you can't even use one system anymore for travel booking. You got to have several different ways to book travel. How complex is that? Nobody wants to deal with that. Without the daily geography lesson, you got one day somebody calling you, they want to go to Africa. The next day somebody's calling you, they're ready to go to Costa Rica. And then somebody else is calling you, they want to go to Asia, Thailand. And you're like, I don't know anything about Thailand. I wouldn't even know where to start. So the first thing you have to do is spend all this time educating yourself on the destination, learning about the airlines, trying to partner or reach out to somebody that may know something about the hotels there because you have no idea, right? When you send them there, are they going to be staying, in a luxury property? Does it say that it's luxury and it's really a dump? We have no idea, right? And so learning about all of these destinations, all of these airlines, all of these hotels, all of this is complicated. It is really complicated. And just learning about, like all of the different cruise lines, like Nadine was saying earlier that she was doing cruises, but even if you're just doing cruises, like every cruise line is so different, right? Every ship has its own personality. It's a lot of work. It is a lot of work. It's a lot of work. And the world is huge. The world is absolutely huge. I know they say it's a small world, but for us, it's huge because you really got to learn like about the whole world if you want to be successful in a traditional travel business. Okay. Now, I believe that the fastest and the easiest way for you to reach your personal and your professional goals with your travel business is with group travel. Okay. I truly believe that. I shared a lot about my story with you earlier and just how the transformation was for me and how much easier my life was when I transitioned to group travel. I told you about my travel business that I have now and how I focus specifically on one group of people. Okay. I focus even on a specific destination, y'all. The Caribbean. Different islands, yes, but one region. That's it. Nobody calls me wanting to do a retreat in Utah because my business is named appropriately and it attracts the people who I want to serve. I want to serve people who want to go to the Caribbean because I love the Caribbean and I want to travel all around the Caribbean, learning about all their properties. Yes, give me some comp hotel stays. Yes, I will send my people there. And even narrowing it down, Nadine, like we talked about earlier, even more, I exclusively sell 4 or 5 star properties, all inclusive, adult only. That's it. That's it. And it's a rinse and repeat method that really works. It takes the stress off. It takes the pressure off. And I'm serving the people that I want to serve. I'm serving people who are like me, like we were talking about with Nicole earlier, serving people who are like me, and to destinations that that I'm interested in. Now, you don't necessarily have to sell a destination that you are specifically interested in. You can still travel all over the world. I can still travel all over the world. It's just that I sell the Caribbean. But guess what? When you make money in your business, you can go wherever you want to go. You can go wherever you want to go. And we were talking about long haul travel earlier. And you may be interested in long haul travel. And because you'll be able to work from anywhere in your business, you can do that, right? And you may have clients where you're booking that 4-night getaway or that 3-night getaway or whatever it's going to be. But that doesn't mean that has to be what you want to do, because when you're making money in your business, you can do whatever you want to do. You can go where you want to go. And you can stay as long as you want to stay. And